are here at the Moshe, Safdie and Associates Inc., firm of architects and planners in Somerville, Massachusetts, and I'm here with Boston Quality Cleaning Services. This is the kitchen of the office, and Boston Quality Cleaning Service has been providing cleaning services for this company for quite some time. They are architects and planners, and as you can see here, it's a big responsibility to maintain this facility in pristine condition. As you can see here, Gene, the owner of the company, is here. It's evening in Somerville. I'll show you here the office. It's kept in very clean condition. It's Gene. So we'll show you some more footage here for the, what is left here for Boston Quality Cleaning Service to take care. And we have a member of our team here cleaning, and you can see here is a big building. So Gene, do you have any idea how big is this office you've been cleaning?
5,000 square feet.
Almost 5,000. 5,000?
No, 45,000.
45? This is huge. How many floors do you have in here?
3.
3? So it's almost like what? 14,000 each floor or something like that? Wow, it's amazing. So this is the kitchen. We have Gene here. We have members of team vacuuming. As you can hear the sound of the vacuum. We're going to show you more footage of the entire place. We have a member of our team there getting done. We have lots of cubicles, extremely beautiful here. And as you can see here, the whole place is kept in ship-shape condition, extremely well cleaned. It's huge. And what are you doing? And here's the cleaning crew here. This is the entire office. This is just one floor. There are 3 floors. So we have Gene here. We have more crew members upstairs. And here's our equipment. The crew member is in uniform. Everything is really nice. We have Gene here cleaning. And I would like you to call Boston Quality Cleaning Service for a free quote. We're going to be able to stop by and provide you with a free estimate. So Gene, let me ask you this. If an office, commercial facility in the greater Boston area would like to request a free estimate, they will call, and what's the number to call?
781-443-5682.
Okay, and what's the second number?
781-443-4337.
Okay, thanks Gene. Keep going, I don't want to interrupt you. Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.